Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 4 to the power of 1 plus x plus 4 to the power of 1 minus x is equal to 10. So to solve this, what I'm first going to use is the property that states that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this turns 4 to the power of 1 plus x as 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of x, and 4 to the power of 1 minus x as 4 to the power of 1 times 4 to the power of negative x. And now this is equal to 10. So now from here, if I have something in the form a to the power of negative m, this is equal to 1 over a to the power of m. So 4 to the power of negative x, I can rewrite that as 1 over 4 to the power of x. And now I'm going to let 4 to the power of x equal to the variable t. So if I substitute in t into my equation, I get 4t plus 4 times 1 over t is equal to 10. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by t. So t times 4t is 4t squared, and 4 times 1 over t times t, well, these two cancel out, so I simply am left with 4, and I have this equals 10t. Now I can subtract 10t on both sides. So then these two cancel out, and I get 4t squared minus 10t plus 4 is equal to 0. Now if I factor out 2, I get 2t squared minus 5t plus 2 is equal to 0. And now I'm going to rewrite this as 2t squared minus 4t minus t plus 2 is equal to 0. And now I can factor by grouping. So from 2 times t squared minus 4, I can factor out 2t. So I get 2t times t minus 2. And from here, I can factor out negative 1. So I get negative t minus 2 is equal to 0. And now from all of this, I can factor out t minus 2. So I get t minus 2 times 2t minus 1 is equal to 0, meaning t is equal to 2, and t is also equal to 1/2. So we aren't done yet, because remember how we let 4 to the power of x equal to t, meaning I get two equations. 4 to the power of x equals 2, and 4 to the power of x is equal to 1/2. So for 4 to the power of x equals 2, this is the same thing as 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 1/2, because 2 is the same thing as 4 to the power of 1/2, or the square root of 4, meaning these two are equal to each other, and x is equal to 1/2. So that's one solution of x. Now for 4 to the power of x is equal to 1/2, I can write this as 4 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of negative 1. And 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, so I get 2 squared to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of negative 1, since 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 to the power of negative 1, meaning 2x is equal to negative 1, and x is equal to negative 1/2. So my two solutions are x equals positive 1/2 and x equals negative 1/2.